Pilani matter, there was a district level committee which was constituted based on the guidelines of the Supreme Court. So this committee has conducted its meeting. We have framed the checklist based on which we are going to conduct the inquiry. Based on that, we have visited the Pilani campus 2 weeks back. We had an interaction with their academic team, including their dean and other people, and also with the student representative, their mental health team, which is called as Empower, basically including their counselors and other people. We had certain questions to them, basically based on the guidelines which were given by the Supreme Court in a judgment in this year, July. Now, after the meeting, we started looking into the reasons for the deaths which were reported. As all of you are aware, 5 deaths were reported. Now, we are currently interacting with the parents also to see like what are their observations regarding the incident. Like primarily the students were saying there was a parental pressure. We have also observed that in case of the 3 students that there were anxiety issues. We wanted to know whether the anxiety issues are pertaining to their academic pressure or anything else. So we are currently interacting with the parents as well as the students. Now this committee is also subdivided into multiple small teams. They are visiting the campus frequently. They are asking questions with the counseling team Empower regarding the various facilities they were providing to the students from the perspective of mental health. So currently this is the status. Once the interaction with the parents is over and once they give us reply based on the questionnaire which we have given, and other details, will be finally giving the report. Thank you.